Alright, you guys, I'm here at Trader Joe's to get this viral sunscreen. Here we go, we're in the skincare aisle, and we're about to grab... Oh my god! Let me ask somebody if they have any. You like Trader Joe's? You like Trader Joe's. Somehow I was able to pick up this product. Y'all, I'm so happy that I have it, and I'm ready to review it for you all. In this video, we're going to be going over the product claims, details, packaging, price, do an application clip, and then let you know if I think that you should get it and who it's best suited for. So if that sounds good to you, and if you love sunscreen reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Alright, so everybody is saying that this is a dupe for the SuperGoop sunscreen. I'll put a picture of it right here. I have never actually used that sunscreen before because it's a little too pricey for me. Also, Kylie Skin, which is very similar. They have a clear consistency for the sunscreen. So those are two more expensive alternatives that are supposed to be very similar to this. So like I said, I can't compare, but I can just simply review the product that I have. So this is the packaging of the product. As you can see, it is a plastic squeezy tube, which is, you know, pretty affordable to make and manufacture, which I'm absolutely okay with. This is not tested on animals, which I really do appreciate. I love using cruelty-free products, and I've been trying to implement more cruelty-free into my skincare, so I'm super happy about that. This product is oil-free. It says it's an invisible gel formula, fragrance-free, and it is water and sweat resistant for 40 minutes. So that's great to know. It also says on the side that the standard sunscreen got you looking ghostly. Trader Joe's daily facial sunscreen to the rescue. This weightless feeling translucent gel sunscreen is specially formulated for quick absorption, leaving behind a soft and silky matte finish. No greasy residue or white cast. Ideal for daily use. It's also a great makeup primer and offers an oxybenzone-free SPF 40 that's suitable for all skin types and skin tones. The claims pretty much for the product are that it's going to leave behind a soft and silky matte finish. There'll be no white cast, and that it's good for all skin types and skin tones. So we're going to go ahead and test out those claims in this product. The sunscreen filters in here are avobenzone 3%, homosalate 12%, octisalate 5%, and octocrylene 6%. So those are all chemical sunscreen ingredients that are pretty familiar if you've used a chemical sunscreen before. Some ingredient callouts in this product. The second ingredient in this is a dimethicone. Now, dimethicone is usually a very pore filling. When you have a pore filling product or primer, it really fills in the pores. This, although it is very silicone based, I find that it is not really that pore filling, which is very interesting. As far as the claims of a matte finish, I would say it's semi-matte. It's not like fully suck the life out of you, because in this area down here around my jaw is usually where my skin's a little bit more dry, and I don't get dry or flaky when using this product. So it's not drying, but it definitely is more mattifying. So I would definitely agree. It also does smooth the skin, and it does make a great makeup primer, but it's not going to fully fill in those pores, though it doesn't claim to do that. No white cast, perfect. And then for all skin tones and skin types, I would agree, since I don't get too dry with this. I think oily skin and dry skin people can use it as long as you like that kind of finish. And then all skin tones, absolutely, because there's no white cast on this product. So it meets the claims. This product retails for $8.99 at Trader Joe's. And you do get 1.7 ounces of product in here. So that's pretty good. Let's go into the application clip. product does go on very different than anything I've ever tried. It is kind of weird feeling when you're applying it. It doesn't feel like you're applying a sunscreen at all, which is probably the point of this product. It's for people that don't like the feeling of sunscreen. Overall, I really like it, and I think that this product makes it easy to apply enough sunscreen. It doesn't clump up, it doesn't feel weird on the skin, it doesn't get caught up in your beard area. This sunscreen is phenomenal for those that have facial or neck hair. This does great in hair bearing areas. It doesn't pill up or anything like that. So that's really, really awesome. That does also attribute to the invisible gel formula that they do claim to have. So totally agree with that. My only thing that I will say about this is that it takes a couple minutes, just like any other sunscreen, to kind of dry and set down. But because of the silicone, it feels like you can continue to push it and blend it out to the skin. But really what you're going to be doing is kind of moving product around and taking it off the skin. So I would say blend it in for, you know, a minute or two, and then just don't touch your face for a couple minutes, because it feels like you could continue to blend, but really it's already blended out, you know? So overall, I know that the sunscreen's a little bit hard to get your hands on, but I did get some inside scoop from somebody that works with Trader Joe's, and they're becoming more serious about their products, and they're pushing it out to a lot of influencers. This is not a sponsored video. Trader Joe's doesn't know me. If they're trying to send me money for posting this, feel free, I'll send you my address. But yeah, I like this product, and when I do run out, I will definitely want to purchase another one. So I know it's out of stock right now, like everywhere. Give it a couple weeks for them to restock and manufacture it and stuff like that. I don't think they thought it was going to sell out this sporadically, but definitely check it out, especially if you do like that SuperGoop sunscreen. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.